Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply monetization to your Facebook page. Now, if you have a Facebook page and it's growing really well, you have a bunch of followers and you want to start to monetize all of your following on that page, I will show you how to do that. So let's open the Facebook application first and now tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. If you tap on this drop down, you will find all your pages here. Now we are going to switch the specific page that you want to enable monetization. So monetization on. So I'm going to tap on switch now. And you can see I have on my page here. If I tap on monetization, I will tap on profile picture in the upper right and then tap on this professional dashboard. Now all I have to do is scroll down and you can see in the tools there is monetization. I can tap on it and it says on very top I am no longer or not yet eligible for monetization. And if I tap on this stars, and it will show you the exact criteria. It says I have to have 1,000 followers for 60 consecutive days and I have to live in an eligible country. If I tap on this eligible country here, it will show you the entire policy and every single country that is part of that. So I can go back and you can tap on any of the other one and it will show a minimum 10,000 followers. You need to certain engagements, all of that stuff. I can go back to subscription, tap on this subscription. So I just created this Facebook page, but basically this is where you can check to see if you can turn on monetization on any of these different things. So go through this, see what works for you, see if you are eligible, and if so, just turn it on and you can start making money on your Facebook page. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.